Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another unboxing and it's the June Boxycharm. So the theme for this month is Caribbean Queen. Another palette, the Alamar palette, and everyone has been raving for it. The first item from the box, they're the Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion Trio. There's a foundation brush. There's also a tapered highlighting face brush and a dual fiber powder brush. And I love getting brushes from Boxycharm. I live for it. The brushes look like this. And they're pink and it's so cute. Since I already have my face makeup on, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some powder using the duo powder brush with my e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder all over the face. And then the next item from the box is this Sol de Janeiro. I believe this is a Bum Bum cream, and this one retails for $10. The next item is this Alamar Cosmetics Alamar palette, and this one retails for $28. This screams summer right here. I already primed my eyelids. I'm gonna set it using the color Cocoa Taxi. And now we're gonna go into the color Tropico. Going to deepen it up using the color Cafecito. This one right here. And I'm gonna mix with some Guantanamera. We're gonna add some glitter. I love glitter. We're gonna mix La Costa and El Malecon. The next item in this box is this Paddington Monroe Silk Lashes. They look like this. And these retail for $28. Alright, the lashes are on, and it took me a little bit like 30 minutes to put them on because it sucks when you don't know how to put on false lashes, but there you go. I really like it. It completes the makeup look. To bronze up the face, I'm gonna use my NARS, I still don't know how to pronounce it, using the Precision foundation brush, even though it's not supposed to be for that one. Alright, this brush works perfectly fine to bronze up and to contour, even though it's for a foundation brush. To highlight, we're gonna use the tapered highlighting brush. And I'm gonna use my Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette that I also got from Boxycharm. And we're gonna use the middle one. Ooh, do you see that? The next item in the box is this Jaune de Bleu. I believe this is an eyeliner pencil. So the last item in this box is this ultra long lasting liquid lipstick in the color Verona. And this one retails for $21. Oh my god, this might be my new favorite liquid lipstick. So here's the look. And now we're gonna set the face and we're done. Alright you guys, this is the final look. Oh my god, I am loving the sunset vibe that we have going on. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share. Bye!